Alright, so this is my 2015 335i, the electronic wastegate. It's got a stage 2 Vargas GC turbo. This is what the engine bay looks like. Just from a quick look, I mean, it looks pretty stock. Quick outside walk around, we got MPARs, just a couple minor things. I mean, got smoked turn signals, wrap the roof, little ducktail, not much really. And then under the hood, we've got the CTS turbo intake. Probably doesn't really do much, but it sounds cool. I already had everything else done. Got the intake because it's the last part that I didn't have. We've got the CTS turbo inlet that I got with the new turbo. Also the VRSF charge pipe. And we got the VRSF downpipe, as well as down in there, you can't really see it, the turbo. We've also got a pretty sketchily rigged up oil catch can, and these, the Dynon ignition coils, definitely a must, or at least some upgraded ignition coils, because I was getting a pretty bad misfire, especially with the amount of miles that were on this car. It's got 147,000 miles on it, so those ignition coils were already ready to go. We've also got VRSF 7.5 inch stepped intercooler, stock fuel pump, stock fueling, just pump gas, 93. It's probably making, if I had to guess, 420, maybe 430 to the wheel. As far as tuning goes, I'm actually just on MHD on the pure stage 2 turbo tune that they've got. I'm sure it's not the best for this turbo, but I mean, the pure and the Vargas are similar enough to where it runs good. Next up is a high pressure fuel pump and an actual tune for my car and the setup that it's on, because I'm sure there's a lot more to get out of it and it could run a lot better. But as is, I mean, it runs great. I've got these step holder plugs as well, which I think I actually need to do again. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and give some, I'm going to start it up, let you hear it, give some revs, maybe a launch and a flyby. Before we do that, all is done to the exhaust, catless downpipe, and I've got a muffler delete as well. No tips on it right now, so it looks a little goofy. Don't make fun of me for it. I don't have tips. My car's also really dirty right now, so yeah, one more. That's how it looks. It's on BC coilovers. I don't remember if I mentioned that. Couple more driving shots so you can hear it. That turbo spooling. Forgot I've also got a Go Fast Bits diverter valve on it. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give a walk around on my car and what a stage 2 turbo M55 really can look like. It doesn't look like much.